Hello and welcome. I can't wait to show you how to create your own viewfinder and how to use it to create many beautiful artworks from one starting artwork. Now before we dive in, I would love you to know that I share a new tutorial on here every Friday. And also, if you would like and subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. It would really help me to reach a lot of other creative people, and that would mean a bucket load to me. If you're also willing to share my video on your own social media channels, that would be amazing. And one last minute request, if you're watching, can you pop a comment below to say watching so that I know that you're tuned in. Alrighty guys, let's dive on in. Here we are. We have one of my artworks which has not quite made it to my website, and we have what I use as a viewfinder. Now you might be able to already spot that this is actually some mounting board from an old frame of mine. So if I zoom in a little bit, you'll actually see it has some marks on it. So it was damaged, but instead of throwing it out, I actually use it as a viewfinder to help to guide me in creating new pieces or gaining more inspiration from existing artworks to fuel future artworks or fuel the next artwork that I'm going to make. So if you have an artwork such as this that you really like, but it's not quite sort of hitting the mark, what you can use is a viewfinder like this to find some different sort of compositions that you really enjoy. And firstly, you can simply cut out your artwork and create mini artworks out of it. Or secondly, you can use that as inspiration to create a brand new artwork. So I could look here at this sort of composition and go, oh yeah, okay, I quite like that. So with the circular elements up to the top left, some leaves and sort of foliage elements coming off to the bottom left and then flowing up to the right. And you might imagine additional extra things. So I'd like a little floral element here, maybe a smaller one here as well. And then you can go off and create an artwork like that. Obviously, it is handy to have viewfinders of different sizes, but the other trick is to, hold it above to capture different parts of your artwork as well. All right, so that's my hot tip for how to make, it's my cheating tip for how to make your viewfinder by using a mounting board, and then also how to use it to gain inspiration for other pieces. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed that session, and I'll see you here next Friday when I share a brand new video tutorial. Thanks team, bye.